burnout. Oh shit, okay. He done found reverse, y'all. Okay. Ain't neither one of them leaking. That's a good thing. Oh shit, this gonna be a good race. Okay. Okay. Damn, I ain't know. Okay. For the 1,000. For the 1,000. For the 1,000. They gotta teach him everything right now. He learning everything he needs to learn. Look, they telling him, give it some gas. Find neutral. I hope he in neutral. I knew he wasn't in neutral. Okay. Okay. Hey, Chris shit sounding good. Chris, hey, Big Time sound good over here, y'all. Damn. Yeah. Oh man. Hell yeah. Hey, they gotta get him the button. Okay, they purging him out. Man, he don't look too goddamn. He looking like this his first time, y'all. Ooh, they put some juice. God damn, they juiced his ass up. That's too much juice for Pedro. God damn. Look out. Oh shit. I don't know, it's a hard race right here. Hey, he ain't ready, so don't start running your shit hot. Alright, here we go, y'all. Damn, did he ain't even come out of first. Damn, and he goosing the gas. God damn. God damn. Oh, he left on. God. Hey.
He burning his ass.
Hey, what happened? He said he whooped the shit out of Big Time.
Boom. God damn. See, you know what? Christian man had time to try to work the
Bugs out.
Bugs and nothing. Now,
Both?
what Chris done that. Chris caught. He ain't had time to try to
get the turbo.
Get no boost up or nothing.
Yeah.
I don't know why Chris let them talk them into that ass whooping like that.
Yeah.
Chris, I got some peroxide in the car. Say, man, I ain't gonna let you go like that. I got some peroxide in the car, Chris.
Damn.
I know that kind of hurt.
Yeah. Hey, where the money at?
You don't head over that truck?
Oh, they going over.
Yeah, we're gonna head over the truck.
Oh, okay. Let's go over there and hand him this cash. I know he finna be looking for me too. Oh, hold on. Let me go and whoop. I'll probably go on ahead and whoop J-Mac ass. Let me see. I don't know if he gonna turn the lights on. What my key? Yeah, I'm finna come on.
You don't want to handle that first?
Handle what? Nah, I got all night on cash. I'm gonna be around there with him. Okay. Let's see. Yeah. Get your ass out the way. I can't give him no hit. This shit too fast. I think his truck faster than mine, man.
What's happening?
It's too fast, man.
You see me beat him though?
I think I can beat him head up.
Yeah.
Hey, you got it, you got it.
Yeah, give him the back tires. Give him the back tires. I'll give him the back tires. Leave on his ass. Hey, Chris?
There's a car down there. There's a car in the back.
It's a what?
Oh, it's a car way down now.
Who is it?
I don't know who it is.
Hey,
Oh, it ain't
somebody's broke down there.
Oh,
Not big time, is
Yeah,
it?
so you might as
Oh,
well.
that's big time ass down there.
Yeah, you might as well just cut it and wait. Hey, he said you gonna give him the hit.
He want me to, I can't give him the hit. I'm gonna give him the back tires. I'm gonna give him the back tire. He got 4-wheel drive. His shit too fast. Yeah, I see him. They finna check the track. Nah, I'm enjoying this AC, man. And that motherfucker running too hard. I can't catch it if I let it hit, man. I ain't gonna be able to catch it, y'all.
Hey, don't go in the head. That's an 8-speed.
I know it's an 8-speed. He got more gears than me. See how we just sitting here in that AC. Temperature's chilling. I can't let him in. I'm giving the back tires. Hey.
Give him the 60-foot hit, still beat him.
Okay, 60-foot hit and still beat him. Okay. Okay, I'm finna do it right now. Shh, don't tell nobody. Don't tell. Boom. Shit. No. No, I ain't giving. I'm giving him the back tires.
Come on, hit.
I give him the back tires, man. He got 4-wheel drive. It ain't gonna spin. My shit might spin. Tell him I won't do another burnout. I'll run him with the tires cold.
He didn't do no burnout.
Come on,
Me neither.
You can't be scared, look out. Come on, look out.
Get that walk hit.
Pull the car
Look
around
out.
the corner and then
Y'all
y'all can
ain't
race.
back.
Okay. Nah, man, that's too much. That's too much. He got an 8-speed transmission. He got more gears than me.